All right, hey everybody, Nini here. Today we're looking at the 1996 Geo Metros. Figured I'd do another one of these type of videos because we are on lockdown out here officially now. Since this morning. I haven't seen one of these in a long time. A Geo Metro. What do y'all think about this? But here's the deal on these. You get 3 of them for the price of $450. So they're projects, and I believe it says the blue one, this one right here, this one runs. So that's not bad. 3 cars for the price of $450. You cannot beat that. So you're getting 3, as I stated. The project cars said they have not been driven in a long time. They will need a good amount of mechanical skills to get running again. But between the 3, it is most likely it can be done. The blue Geo will start and run, but not very well. The other 2, I have not heard run, but are supposed to, according to the last owner. I'm not willing to part out and trying to sell. I'm sorry. They are trying to sell. It says I'm trying to sell all 3 at once. Will sell individually to the right buyer. So what do you think about the Geos? The little 2-door hatchback Geos. I'd say not bad. Maybe you can use one of them and use parts for, the other 2, or maybe just one. But I mean, hey, fix them all 3 up and, sell 2, keep 1. You make a profit. Boom. Not bad. So I'm not sure if I really am interested in those ones. But there they are nonetheless. All right, so right here we have a 1985 Chevy Monte Carlo, and as I have said like a million times, I'm in love with the Monte Carlo. I want one so bad. This one, the interior looks pretty dang good. It appears that it may need the front done. They're asking $900. Says it's a SS Monte Carlo, great project car with the motor and transmission. Was starting to build as a race car, have all the original parts. It says it has 11,125 miles. That is not bad at all. Wish they would have had more pictures of it. That would have been cool if they did. And at least said if it, ran or not. Let me know what you think about the Monte Carlo. All right, and then right here, another G35. This one's a 2004. It has a blown motor. They're asking $1,300. I think that might be a little bit more than I'd want to pay for it, having a blown motor. It says it, they're taking offers, but transmission is good. They're selling for a friend. So here is the G right here. It looks pretty good though. The 2 pictures that they did put looks pretty good. The red looks nice on it and everything. Would have been nice to see some interior pictures. What do y'all think about the G35, the 04? Leave a comment below. Right here, we have a 1995 Chevy Blazer.
Yes.
This would be a good project right here. They're asking $600, and I love the purple on it.
I like the brown.
The purple?
No, the brown.
Where are you seeing brown? And it has 180,000 miles on it.
Yes.
And let's see the information they have. It says it runs rough. It's going to need some work. Needs a battery, a tune-up, and some fresh gas.
Yes.
Replaced the fuel pump and spider injector about a year ago.
Yes.
Drove it from PA to home and then sat. Has power windows and power locks, 4-wheel drive, works, and then, like I said, at the interior, it's pretty clean also. Will have to be towed. If it's still listed, then it's still available. I think this would be a dope project right here. Like, this would be cool because, you got the little SUV right here, the 2-door. Do a little engine swap on this thing. Maybe do some exhaust work on it. Make it sound real badass. I think this would be cool. Leave a comment. Let me know what you think about the Chevy Blazer. I like it.
And I
I
like
have to
it.
go under the 600. But yeah, let me know. Leave a comment.
And this coming.
Then we have a 1992 Chevy Camaro RS.
I
I think they're asking $350 for it. As you can see, it has sat for a very long time. It definitely, when the paint job, all the clear coat is like, a lot of the clear coat is gone. And a lot of the places in the body just completely gone. So this thing would just need a whole sand down, get it down to the bare metal, and then repaint it after you get it running. It says it does not run. Then you need some body work right there on the on the driver's side. I'm not sure what's going on there. It looks like it maybe, I'm like, was it melting on a corner or something? Like, it looks like it was melting or something. Like, or they bumped into something. Okay, I see maybe it's cracked right there, it looks like. I'm not sure what's going on there. But as you can see, the dash is cracked. To get a new dash, go ahead and replace the steering wheel. But everything else, interior wise, besides it's filthy, looks to be okay. Let's see what's going on with it. But when you're talking $350, you might even be able to get it for less. You know, I'm actually leaning a lot toward this Camaro right here. But you know, if you get it for under that, that's not a bad deal on a rebuild. You know, that, you know, you just do some body work, throw an engine in there and everything. And wham, bam, there you go. It says it has 125,000 miles. I believe I said it's a 92 Camaro RS. It says does not run. 350 takes it. I'm not sure why it doesn't run. They didn't really get into why it doesn't run. So, yeah. But I'm very interested in this one. This could be a steal right here, possibly, depending on what it needs. I'd plan on, you know, doing some work to it anyways, taking the engine, all that out, doing some exhaust work and all of that. So, we'll see. All right, then right here we got an 87 Mustang. 1987 Mustang Fox body. All right, so it says on it that it has 83,000 miles. Said it had a clean title to it, lost it in my house somewhere, can't find it. So I'm like, duplicate title. I don't get it. Why people lose their titles and then they're just too lazy to go get another one. Because you can just get a duplicate title. If you really lost the title somewhere, just get a duplicate. It's not that hard. It can be done online, as I previously said. So just get a duplicate title, people. Stop posting your car saying you lost the title. But at this one I was interested in. Yeah, we'd have to figure out that title situation. They would have to go into the DMV and get a title. Point blank, period. They said they need it gone. Guess the town is telling them they got to get it out of there. Downtown, let me see. They say they threatened to take it. Come and get it. Clean. Shock towers, clean. Torque boxes. Details to serious inquiries. Bought it to build. Don't have the funds to do so. Many projects going on. No title. No title. Stop asking. Just get a duplicate. As simple as that. Or nobody's going to buy the car. So what do y'all think about the 87 Mustang, the Fox body that has no title? He could have took a picture of the full car. I hate when people do these pictures like that, when they only do like half the car and they're hiding everything on the, you know, one side. To me, I'm like, are they hiding something? We'll have to see. Oh, this car right here, I really like. And let's say previous videos, a few videos back, I looked at one and I said I didn't really like it. Because it was, that one looked a mess. But a souped up Thunderbird, I can get with that. This one looks pretty good. It's ready for paint. It's a 1994. Well, no, that actually is the paint. I see it has a clear coat. But it looks like primer. I'd change the color. But it's a 1994. And it looks pretty good. They already started doing some work on it. Not sure what's going on with that. Like I said, trunk or the spoiler or something they have on it. It looks like it's bent or something. So yeah, let me know what you think about the Thunderbird. I like it. All right, so this is what it says about it.
Yeah.
You said you like it. You don't even know what I'm talking about.
Yes, I do.
No, you do. What I'm talking about? They had to put the quarantine special 500 no saline.
Not saying.
It says they're putting it up for sale. 1994 Thunderbird track car. Mess around with car. The motor and transmission of the car in excellent condition. The car has developed a brake line leak. However, if you feel like dumping fluid into it, it will hold pressure for some time. The car is painted Destroyer Gray. However, due to issues with the roof, I gave it a art scheme of storm cloud looking appearance. He should have took pictures of the actual roof then. It's again built to be beat on. It's quick. The car has the 4.6 liter V8 mod motor, automatic transmission, 034, let's see, Terminator IRS, dual exhaust dumped after the cats, Super Coupe body kit, Super Coupe velvet seats. For the asking price, it comes with the 18-inch sailing wheels, wheel adapters, and the factor wheels with like new tires. The car is missing headlights. They're cheap. The interior is okay for what it is. It's currently missing a driver's side door panel. Lots of potential. Good track car. Motivated to sell. So it has 136,000 miles on it, and he's asking 700. So that means you'd go under. So I'm definitely interested in it. This could be pretty cool. She put more pictures. The 1994 Thunderbird LX. It looks pretty good. Yeah, they're long. See, my thing is, to me, it's like, it's kind of like a Mustang, like oldest schoolish Mustang that's just long, super long in the front. That's how I feel about it. It's a pretty big car for a coupe, but it's a pretty cool car though. Once you hook them up, pretty cool. The wheels look pretty good on it too. So let me know what you think about the Thunderbird. And if you have not already, please go ahead and subscribe to our channel. Hit that like button. Leave a comment. Here's a 1980 Chevy Monte Carlo. They're asking $850 or best offer. It's just a roller. See, they sold it already. As stated before, I prefer, getting toward the later 80s models of the Monte Carlo. I really didn't like this model much as the other ones, but I would drive this one, the front. I just didn't like the, I guess that slanted back. But it looks the same, kind of like on the sides as, the other ones. And I do like the mirrors. But I prefer, like the 86, 80, maybe up to like the 88. 85 is okay, but I like the 86 and up. But $850 are best offer for the roller. These are classic cars, so it's definitely worth it.
What do you say?
Right here you have a 1984 Chevy Camaro Z28. This one is sold. They were asking $773 for it. Like, looks nice. Like, that's a steal. Everything runs perfectly. Whoever bought this got a damn deal. They got a deal. They got the T-tops and all of that. It looks like it was already... No, I guess they just did the matte paint. So, looks pretty good. It says, engine transmission, stick shift, dual, flow masters, 3-speed, clean, brand new tires. Will trade firearms and bikes. I hate when people try to trade for stuff like that. So, 2005 Neon SXT. And the guy is asking $300. And I actually talked to him. That's what I was like, see, conversation. I've talked to him like months ago. Like, we're talking like long time ago about this car. And it doesn't have the title. I asked him why he doesn't get a duplicate title. He's talking about, nah, I just don't need the vehicle. But at the same time, you can still get a duplicate title. So sometimes it's a little, you think like the car could be stolen, or what's the reason why they won't get the title, go get a duplicate title. Because more than likely the buyer is willing to pay for the title. If they don't, the seller doesn't want to pay for the title, maybe they don't have the funds to pay for the title and they're just trying to get rid of the vehicle, and they don't have that money to put out. So I think it's kind of crazy. So a lot of people prefer to get the title. Some people, they have ways of getting the title without, you having a title present. But either way, he's asking $300, says it runs and it drives. It's 164,000 miles. I'm not really a fan of Dodge Neon. I know some people are like, oh, those are little racer cars. But this one's a SXT. But I really didn't like Neons like that. But we had one, some years ago. Let me see. Probably like 5 years ago. I want to say about 5 years ago. 5 or 6 years ago. And I didn't think I was going to like it, but it was, I liked the car, period. It was a cool little car. It was good on gas. So I started driving it just to go to like the store or something like that, because the thing was good on gas and it was actually comfortable inside. So I actually like these models, regardless of what anybody will say about these cars. These they're good little gas, if you need to run to the store or go somewhere and you want to save money on gas. These ones are good. They're good on gas. We didn't have any problems with the car. We had bought it from like a college student who needed money so he can pay for stuff for college. So we bought the car from him. And then we kept it a little bit. And then we sold it to this guy local. And he was like super excited about the car. But these are cool little cars. If you want to hook up a car, if you want to do like projects and mods to these cars, these are good cars to do that too as well. So I actually like the Neon. They're good, cheap little cars. So I like them. You can throw a little body kit on them, change the lights out, throw a little, do a little exhaust to them, maybe cold air intake on them. Pretty cool little cars. And if you got a track near you and you want to do a little race, a race against a little Honda or something, there you go. But you guys, that's going to be the last car that I'm going to do today. Let me know what you think. What car did you like the best? What car would you pick as a project out of the ones that I showed you that were only like a couple $100? So yeah, until next time, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. If you're watching, hit the subscribe button to our channel. Until next time.
11. Goodbye. Bye.